We show you how to adjust the hydraulic pressure. First, we need to, when we adjust the hydraulic pressure, we need to clamp the board. We need to press the forward button on the hydraulic rack. When the plate clamp the board, then here he will show the pressure.
Yeah, it's about 7 ambar.
Here is the handle. We lose this screw first, then adjust this handle. You can adjust. You can adjust it. Okay.
We set here 6 ambar. It's okay.